Are you ready? Welcome to my channel, US Health and Fitness. Subscribe my channel. Want to get in the best shape of your life? In just 4 weeks, you can transform your body with these 6 simple exercises. No fancy equipment needed, just determination and the will to change. Let's dive in. First up, push-ups, a classic exercise that targets your chest, triceps, and shoulders while engaging your core. Start with 3 sets of 10 reps and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Remember to keep your back straight and engage your core throughout. Tip: keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to avoid shoulder strain. Next, we've got squats, the ultimate lower body workout. Squats work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while also engaging your core. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. As you progress, try adding some weights or switching to jump squats for an extra challenge. Tip: keep your knees in line with your toes and avoid leaning forward. Moving on to the plank, a powerful exercise for strengthening your core, shoulders, and back. Hold the plank for 30 seconds and work your way up to 1 minute as your endurance improves. Remember, it's all about maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Tip: avoid letting your hips sag. Keep them level for the best results. Lunges are fantastic for sculpting your legs and glutes. They also improve balance and core stability. Do 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. For an added challenge, try walking lunges or holding dumbbells. Tip: keep your front knee at a 90-degree angle and avoid leaning too far forward. Love them or hate them, burpees are a full body workout that boosts your cardiovascular endurance while burning fat. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. They might be tough, but the results are worth it. Tip: land softly on your feet and keep a steady rhythm. Finish strong with mountain climbers. This exercise torches calories, tones your core, and builds endurance. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds each and try to go faster as you get fitter. Tip: keep your core tight and drive your knees towards your chest. Here's your weekly workout plan. Do these exercises 4 to 5 times a week for the next 4 weeks. Combine them with a balanced diet and good hydration, and you'll see a noticeable transformation. Stick to this plan, stay consistent, and give it your best shot. In just 4 weeks, you'll feel stronger, more confident, and ready for more challenges. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to keep you fit and healthy. Let's crush those fitness goals together.